Yo, what's good, y'all? We playing, as you can see, you can't see my hands, but as you can see, we're playing Animal Company. I've been seeing this game. The game really popular now, so I just decided that we should hop in this, John. It's kind of like Gorilla Tag, I think. What the fuck was that? What is this?
Wait, stop trying to.
Yo, big giveaway. It's QWE234. QWE234. 234. 23. QWE234. There's a lot of big items and slimes.
Oh my fucking! What is happening?
I just need on dude.
Hey,
He
yo,
almost
blue bag
died.
of Takis. Hey, blue bag of Takis, yo.
What is happening? I don't know.
Blue bag of Takis. I found somebody a blue bag of Takis. Hey, these are Takis.
Whoa,
What do I do? Oh shit!
Follow me. I want some puppies. Yum 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 yum. You can have
Did
that.
I just fucking die? Did I just die?
Hold on.
What happened?
You're gonna die, everybody.
What is it?
Die.
Oh my god!
Easy, easy.
Actually, small.
Ah, you so small, bro.
What is this?
Dude, you so small.
Why am I in the floor?
Then you grab onto it.
I'm attempting to.
You can make stick onto it. But it can't let you to do this. You took a shit in the
You really
back.
want to try that, bro?
I'm confused. I don't like this. Get me out of here.
Yes.
I don't know what to do. I'm scared, bro.
Because you did it to me all the time. I would never do that. You keep
know, I could
doing
buy
it.
RPG ammo. But
Yeah.
Bro, you
God damn. Oh my fucking, he's dead. He's fucking dead. What is this? Oh. Hello? What the fuck?
And I've been banned for 2 weeks. I'm
Hey, fuck, you got pizza.
the day that you got there for 2 weeks,
Fucking.
everybody would be happy. Damn.
Now, ever since this game scammed me out company coins, I'm just gonna kill everyone.
Jeez, bro.
Go fuck yourself.
What is this?
You know the saddles?
Damn.
Who owns the saddles? Who owns
do.
the saddles?
I do.
Oh my god.
Anyway, I appreciate your red watch, bro. I appreciate your red watch.
I'm on red
Yeah, I
watch.
own
Can you?
saddles. I own saddles. I got you, bro.
What? Shit.
Damn. That's unfortunate.
Big run.
You can go get the saddles.
Bro, how many times is that shit? Game, bro.
Dead.
Hell.
Okay, I'm gonna do a good giveaway, boys.
Where's your RPG ammo?
Dash if
Anybody wants to see me.
Guys, do you see my hand green?
Yes, see your hands.
Yeah, I can barely see your hand.
Where's your RPG?
What is that?
I came out. Who wants this?
Ah.
That's what I'm doing,
That-
bro.
Bro, how do I?
I want to sell it, but it's so hard to move. But wait, don't tell me I'm selling it.
Or be that I'm fuck.
Yep, nobody. Guys, and the clippity clippity clippity.
I have every item in the game.
Go. What is this? Did I can't can't swim.
This
Backpack
backpack
is full of
sell them. Sell them. Sell them all.
No,
Sell
they're
them
rare.
Hold up. Nope. Okay.
Oh my god! Guys, just send me outside the map! Dude, I'm
No.
all the way above the map. Wait, someone's up here too. Use it!
No.
Guys, why is there suitcases everywhere?
Oh my god, why is he chasing
Yo,
me?
someone come over by the fan. Someone come over by the fan. I'm spawning in suitcases, guys.
Get over here.
Yo, red at stash. Red at stash.
Oh my god.
Stash.
Get me out of here. What the fuck? What the fuck? Where?
Hey, everyone get in a line and I'll give them anything. I'll give them anything.
Is this a car? Oh my god.
Hey, in front. We said they wanted a big RPG. Everybody, we're gonna make us our game. So guys, no, frog, don't do that. Frog. No, anything else except a big RPG. Frog, put up.
Don't
Mhm.
get it. No. Don't get it. My RPG just disappeared.
You want one?
Bro, can I have a big?
What?
A super big.
What? Give me. Okay, let go. Let go. This is... I don't know where I am. What is this?
Bro, just stop.
You don't have a big
Alright,
one,
there you
just
go.
a small one.
Alright, fuck up.
Bro, no.
Shit.
Bro, put all the RPG ammo in there to cash our.
Are we fucking serious?
What?
Oh my god, my cheeks. Wait. Oh my god.
Yo, green. Green.
What the fuck are you? Wait,
Green, I'll have some.
Go. Not that way. Not that way. Let go.
I got you.
What is this? Oh, boombox. What? Where am I? What is that? Grab this thing. What is this, bro? Exit sign? How do I leave? Ah. What the fuck? What is this? Ah.
Alright, they're there. But you
Nice
can't kill him.
tagged.
But you can't kill him.
What?
Yes, bro.
Nobody on my back.
Yeah. Yeah. Bah. I don't know what I just did, to be honest. Can I hit myself?
I want to get under the ground. I'll be all ya.
Ah.
They did it.
Who just... Alright.
Saddle. Oh, I'm about to...
My fucking... Ah!
Bro, what was that ragdoll looking at stuff? These suitcases. Why are there suitcases in this lobby? Muns. We're doing a giveaway. Yes, I did. No, you